In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to ConvertKit if you want to automatically send new form submissions from Typeform into your ConvertKit audience. This setup is quick and very useful. It helps you save time, reduce manual work, and make sure new subscribers are added to the right place as soon as they fill out your form. To begin, open Typeform and go to the form you want to connect. Once you're inside the form workspace, look for the Connect option. This is where Typeform lets you link your form to other tools and services. Click Connect to open the integrations area where you'll find different apps that can work with your form. From the integration menu, choose ConvertKit. You may need to search for it if you have a long list of available integrations. Once you select ConvertKit, Typeform will begin the connection process and prompt you to authorize access between the two platforms. At this point, enter your ConvertKit API credentials. Make sure you're using the correct credentials from your ConvertKit account so the connection can be verified properly. If you're copying and pasting the information, take an extra second to make sure there are no missing characters or extra spaces, since even a small mistake can prevent the integration from working. After the account is connected, choose the target email list or sequence where you want new Typeform contacts to be sent. This is an important part of the setup because it determines exactly where each new submission will go inside ConvertKit. If you use different lists or sequences for different campaigns, double check that you're selecting the correct one before moving on. Next, map the user email field from Typeform to the email field in ConvertKit. This tells the integration which answer in your form should be treated as the subscriber's email address. Be careful here, because accurate field mapping is essential for successful data transfer. If the wrong field is mapped, the contact may not be added correctly. Once everything looks right, save the integration. This final step activates the connection so future form responses can flow directly into ConvertKit automatically. And that's it. Your Typeform and ConvertKit integration is now set up. After saving, it's always a good idea to test the form yourself to confirm that submissions are being sent to the correct list or sequence. That way, you can catch any setup issues early and make sure everything is working smoothly from the start.